you get up? Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Good morning to you. It is currently 5:10 a.m. and welcome to my 5 a.m. morning routine for the fall. I definitely don't wake up at 5 a.m. every single day, so I don't want to give you guys that false idea, but on the days that I do wake up early at 5 a.m. I feel like I get so much more done, and I feel like I just maintain motivation all throughout the day. So that's what we're doing in this video. This is my 5 a.m. morning routine. If you guys are new to my channel, I would love it if you hit subscribe, join our family. My name is Adrienne. I am 25 and I live here in South Korea, but my hometown is Raleigh, North Carolina. Usually the days I wake up at 5 a.m. are when I have something kind of busy going on in the daytime, and today I have to travel up north to Seoul, so I have to catch that train at 11, so I have from now until about 10:30 to get all of my morning stuffs done. It's actually still dark right now, so I'm gonna wait a little bit longer before I take Cleo out, but it is definitely time to get up. Alright, so I'm currently working on replying to emails. I'm going to talk pretty quietly for the first half of this video because it is still so early and I don't want to wake my neighbors up. I sometimes avoid checking my email over the weekend, or even like sometimes on Fridays I don't, so I'm just trying to get caught up on some of that stuff because I'm not going to have the chance to do that during most of today since I'm going to be filming. Time to take the little girl outside. Just put a shirt on. It's like that happy medium weather right now that I can get away with wearing shorts with like a lightweight shirt. I think I'm actually gonna wear this one. It's a little bit more warmer. Hi. Alright, so it is 6:20 and I still have a bit more time until I'm going to kind of get rolling with the day, like getting ready and making myself breakfast. So I'm just gonna use the rest of this time to work. I swear it feels so good to get stuff done early. So I'm just gonna take care of some work. I'm doing subtitles right now for a video and it just feels so good to get stuff taken care of early. Alright, so I started getting like fidgety at my desk and I realized it was time for me to stop working because I'm going to be doing plenty of that later today. So now I'm like, what do? I have all this time and I am in cleaning mode now. I know it is like not normal at all to do cleaning in the morning, but for me, waking up at 5 a.m. it gives me so much extra time to do stuff like this, and I would much rather do it right now while I'm motivated instead of doing it at night where I feel like super lazy and not inclined to do this at all. So let's do some cleaning. All right, so it is actually the next day and I'm just picking up right where we left off. I ended up having some audio issues with my camera, so full transparency, it's the next day, but I'm still doing the same exact morning routine. It's still the same time and I'm still going to Seoul today. But anyways, it is time to do my skincare. So I always wear sun cream when I go for my morning walk, even if it's super early. It's just like, why not take that extra easy step to protect your skin? So then in the morning I will use an oil cleanser just to wash off that sun cream. But if for some reason I didn't wear any sun cream, I'll just do like water. But let's go ahead and continue on with the rest. We're just gonna do simple skincare this morning because I have some extra time this morning. I'm gonna go ahead and do a fun little DIY mask pack. So let me show you how I do that. And I'm gonna be using my Kaine Kombu Balancing Toner. You guys have heard me talk about this a ton on my channel just because it is one of my favorite everyday toners. I actually just finished a whole bottle of it. I will say not only has Kaine helped significantly reduce the amount of acne on my skin, it's also really good for healing acne scars very quickly. So last night I got this pimple. I used this toner last night and I woke up and it had faded. Like the redness had significantly faded a ton already. I'm just now realizing, because I've been using them consistently for like 3 or 4 months now, my skin is so soft. Like it literally feels like a baby's bottom when I use them. Like when I wake up the next morning, my skin feels so soft after using them. I think this toner is super effective no matter how you use it, but I think it's especially effective when you make the little mask sheets just like this. 2 and 3. Oh, feels amazing. It is so amazing for hydration. My personal philosophy behind having very healthy and glowy looking skin is making sure your skin is hydrated with using a good toner that helps, you know, balance the pH of your skin and lock in all of that moisture. So this one is perfect if you suffer from dry or dehydrated skin. You're gonna love this. And Kaine's products are also very, very high quality at an affordable price, which is something I love. And also, like, you just can't beat their beautiful packaging. I need to find something to use this bottle for because I don't want to throw it away. I want to reuse it. Maybe I should put like flowers or something in this. I will have the link to Kaine down in the description. If you guys give this a try, you'll have to let me know how it works out for you. It's just so pretty. Look at those bubbles. Love it so much. All right, now I'm so excited to show you this part, my makeup routine. I always get questions about what I use for makeup, but basically I just don't really care that much about makeup. All I care is that it makes me look like I have a nice even complexion and that, you know, of course my little blemishes are covered up. And then I just use this Real Techniques sponge just to blend everything in super easily. It's crazy how like easy sponges are for makeup. So I actually have not worn foundation in such a long time. I don't even own foundation at this point. I just use the Purito Cica Clearing BB Cream. This gives you such a lovely, healthy looking glow. It's not like the most high coverage product you're ever gonna use, but it's pretty good. And I mean, if I can use a BB cream instead of a super thick foundation, I'm gonna use the BB cream. But this does such a good job at just like completely evening out your complexion. And now I'm just gonna set this, and this is the Laura Mercier translucent powder. I actually got this for free at Sephora. I think it was my birthday gift or something like that. I actually really like this. You only need a tiny bit, and this is the only makeup I'm gonna do right now. And then when I get to Seoul, I'm gonna go in with my blush and do a little bit of eyeshadow and mascara. That's it, you know? It gives your skin like just that nice even look, and it's super low maintenance. All right, just need to pack my bag up and I'll be ready to go.
Let me show you everything I bring. So makeup bag, camera, and this is a accessory. My iPad, I like to edit on the train. It's a really good use of my time. AirPods, sunglasses, could not forget these. And that is everything. Oh, and also my chargers I'm gonna throw in here. But yeah, I love having this bag. It fits so much stuff and it's kind of cute. All right, the only other thing I'm gonna do is take Cleo out. I like to use the rest of my time to just have a nice, relaxing stroll with Cleo. It's her second time out today, so she'll be feeling good, I'll be feeling good, and then we can just get on with the day. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This concludes my 5 a.m. wake up morning routine. Once again, this is not an everyday thing. I don't wake up at 5 a.m. every single day. Props to people that do. If you do wake up at this time every day, please let me know, like, how do you manage it? I'm sure getting enough sleep is probably the first part, but I do love getting up early. I feel like I'm able to accomplish so much more. I work a lot better in the morning compared to late afternoon, so yeah, I'm feeling good. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want to see more vlogs like this, let me know. I'm also heading back to the States very soon just for a little fall trip, so if there's any content you want me to make there, let me know, because I will say the fall vibes are much more immaculate in my hometown compared to where I live right now. I mean, there's literally no fall trees in my neighborhood. It is just ocean and palm trees, which I'm not complaining, I love those, but it's hard to get in the fall spirit here. So I'm excited to hopefully be feeling fall-y when I go home. That's about it, guys. I love you so much. Thank you again for watching, and I'll see you very soon in my next video.